The start-stop system is designed to help save fuel by turning the engine off when you come to a stop. The engine restarts as you release the brake pedal so that it can be ready to go as you press down on the accelerator. There are times when the engine will not shut off at a stop. If you have the defrost/defog function turned on, if the climate control system needs to work to reach your desired temperature, if the engine hasn't reached operating temperature, or if the battery voltage is low. After you come to a stop and the engine turns off, if you turn the steering wheel, the engine will restart. While Start-Stop is automatically activated every time you start your vehicle, you can deactivate it by pressing the Start-Stop button, which illuminates a light in the button. Pressing the button again activates the system. Every time the button is pressed, the Start-Stop status is shown in the instrument cluster. With the Volkswagen Start-Stop system, you can enjoy an engine that delivers exhilarating performance and is designed to help save fuel when running an engine isn't necessary.